Hey guys, my name is Rocket and this is my channel, Rocket Design. I'm a professional digital artist, graphic designer, painter and muralist based in Brisbane, Australia. I've been working in the creative industry for the past 19 years, both for companies and also as a freelance artist. What you'll find on this channel is Procreate tutorials, tips and tricks, digital art how-tos and behind the scenes of commissioned artworks I'm making for clients, as well as vlogs and process videos on paintings, murals and other art forms. Hit that subscribe button if you're looking to take your digital art skills to the next level, and join me as I bring you along for a look at my life as an artist.